Today's video is about functions and advanced variables. We first start off with a script. Let's delete everything and add variables. Name them whatever you'd like, don't forget local equals sign and its name. I will do a basic teleporting script when a player joins. To do this, we need to do vector 3, which is basically a 3D position, period, and new after it, which basically means a new location, and the location. Location is in parentheses, described by 3 values, consisting of x, y, z. We can find this in a parts properties, under C-frame, position. Position is the center point of a part. 0, 0, 0 is the world center. What I typed right now is x5. Y, 0. Z, 0, this is not correct as we need x0. Y, 5. Z, 0. This is the correct location. Let's go back to the script and add an end position. Now let's make a function. We go to game.players.playerAdded, which is an event. This detects if a player has joined the game, and then calls this function. Now we add a connect, to make this connect to something, otherwise, it wouldn't do anything. Then add parentheses, add the word function in that, and add another pair of parentheses. Add a line after the third parenthesis. Type end. There is also another way of doing this, if you forget. You do local function name, parentheses and an end, without a right bracket. And to connect all of this, do game.players.playerAdded : connect, function name in parentheses. Now both of these do the same thing, but one is better for doing clean functions. Add PLR in the parentheses of those are the players who activated it. The top one will always require a right bracket, the bottom won't. Top is a function in itself. I will use the bottom one. Now we type our code for teleportation in here. Remember, whatever is above the end, it will activate with the function if it has been activated. Now let's make an if statement, which checks if it is or not existent. If statements require an end also, and add an then after the checks. Let's add a wait, get the player's character, by doing PLR character. PLR is the player who was added, it depends on the type of function you have. Let's print this character and see if it is correct. We press play not run this time. It has worked successfully. Let's change the player's position. Let's make a variable inside the function, for the player, not outside. Now how to change a player's position? We check for the character, if so, then. We change the character's C-frame, covering soon, by doing character, colons, move to, parentheses, variable start. Seems like it works, now let's try the end position. Await, then do the same thing, but change it to end in the parentheses. Successful? Now let's return to the script and make a new function for touching the base plate. We type the damage amount as a variable. To connect touching, we do another connect, but instead of player added, we do touched of the base plate. Look at my example. Touched is a signal, same with player added. We do not add colons for these. For the thing that was touched, we type it in the parentheses here, name it whatever you'd like once again. We check if touched, then we go to the touched's parent, which is basically a character if the touched was a body part, character, body part or workspace, base plate. We decrease the health by going to the parent, then we go to the humanoid in there, and change the health. We don't decrease it like this, health, 5, but like this, health equals health, 5. You can type either the variable or a number. Let's see if it hurts. Successful?